What up, everybody? I am Matt Field, and we are here in Seattle, Evergreen Speedway, and we are going to be doing the Rugged Radio's course preview. However, there's some porta potties hiding me because I'm down at the start line, so you can't see me, but you can hear me. So let's roll off the line and get this Rugged Radio's course preview going. Hello, there I am. All right, through the chicane and up through the gears. We're going to be getting well into 80 miles an hour here. We have the 3, 2, 1 cones. You need to be drifting by here, and right here is the start of the zone. Now, this is the longest single corner, the longest bank in all of Formula Drift. And it is fast, it is gnarly, and it's quite difficult. The trick here is to get on throttle immediately after initiation. Don't be bobbling, don't be hesitating, because you have to build as much speed as possible. We're doing 80 miles an hour through this bank with our bumpers on the freaking wall. It's wild.
Yeah.
Make sure that you have steady hands, steady throttle, and really mind the left foot brake. Not using it too much, not using it too little. The left foot brake really kind of keeps the car stable and up on the high line, because these cars are really, really gripped up. So the left foot brake is your friend, but don't overuse it. All right, we're approaching the end of the zone. There's some more markers here. 3, 2, 1. This is so freaking hard to do, guys. It's unbelievable how much dedication and commitment it takes to fill the end of this zone and fill zone 2. It is so freaking hard, but the key here is to start slowing down, rotate the car. Some people use the handbrake, some people use the left foot brake, but usually everyone is downshifting right here. You starting to slow down, starting to reel the car back in, and starting to add angle, because this is important here. You want to fill the end of the zone, but you need to be adding car angle and getting a downshift done all in this short amount of time, because outer zone 2 is right here. And you know what's cool about outer zone 2? That you don't see anywhere else? Look overhead. Now this overhead is a visual aid for us, because in the chase position you cannot see this zone, not at all. You're completely blind. So this is kind of for the chase driver to be able to figure out where they're at, because the lead driver can more or less see this pretty easily. Key here is to be transitioning as soon as the zone ends. As soon as the zone ends, get your transition done, because there's not a lot of room between outer zone 2 and outer zone 3. All right, outer zone 3. It's a wall, it curves, and this whole time you're kind of reining in the car, getting a transition done, and then trying to get on throttle as early as possible, because being on throttle is what's going to drive you to the inner cliff. Filling the end of this zone is also extremely difficult. You see the end of the zone right there? Yeah. Getting this whole zone is a tough. So after leaving the zone, you're kind of like reeling in the car, adding a little bit of angle, pushing, leaning on the front, trying to get to this inner cliff, all while maintaining as much speed as humanly possible. Now, you notice there's lines painted at an angle right where I'm at. That means that the judges want you to pass this inner cliff with your car matching that angle. You should be 90 degrees to that. If you have less angle, they can kind of ding you for it. More angle, that's not good. Maybe you're slowing up. So this is a tool to utilize what the judges want from you to be able to pass this inner cliff. Now we got a bunch of people walking here. Hey, everybody! All right, coming into the last outer zone. This is a tricky one. It's not so hard right now, but when the sun goes down, you can't see anything. The wall approaches quickly. Oh yeah, look, there's already a wheel mark right on the wall right there. But they did help us out. This year, they kind of angled the zone away from the wall just a little bit more. That will help us not hit the wall and also avoid this jump. But yeah, check this thing out. Filling the zone, literally up along the wall. Keep it away from the wall and throttle through the finish line. Almost lost my rugged radio there, but that's the jump. That's the end of the course.